Memories are made around the dinner table. This is more than a cookbook. It's a tribute to a mother, a mentor, and a best friend. Chef Annie Payton invites you into her kitchen and her heart as she shares the cherished memories and timeless recipes passed down from her beloved mother. Every page of this book is a celebration of family, friends, and the legacy of home-cooked meals. From Sunday dinners to soul-soothing staples, these recipes are more than ingredients. They're stories, waiting to be shared again. Memories are made around the dinner table by Chef Annie Payton.
Hi, this is Annie's Gourmet Indulgence, and today we are up in Henderson, Nevada, where our business is located, and we're at a client's home up in beautiful Roma Hills. This area is very Italian themed, and thus the word Roma, and so we are focusing on Italian chicken roll today. So myself and my buddy here, Lana, this is Lana Million, and I call her Lola. Lola was a showgirl back in the day. Believe it or not, you're looking at a real Las Vegas showgirl. And we go way back. We've been friends since America West Airlines in our training class back in the 80s. So we've known each other for a long time, and she's worked at several of my events and my restaurant. So Lola is here to help me today. So chicken roll is a very pretty dish. It's more of an appetizer. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of steps involved, so we'll take you through it a little bit at a time. And the finished product is really pretty. It's more of an hors d'oeuvre. We'll set it on a pretty platter. You can serve it hot or cold. It does need to be in the oven baking for a little while, so today's dish will end up being served hot. So what we do with chicken roll, you can pick any type of flair that you want. So a lot of Italians do mozzarella and prosciutto, or salami, roasted peppers, anything like that. What I've chosen today is a caprese. So caprese is the Roma tomatoes and the basil and the sliced mozzarella. Whatever you do, it has to be really thin. The challenge with chicken roll is that the chicken itself has to be extremely thin, which is why we tenderize it, and we pound it as thin as we can, and then we have to egg it, bread it, quick flip. You don't want it to be too crispy, otherwise you can't roll it. So I just have a light saute going. We're using our extra virgin olive oil. We have chicken cutlets that we've sliced down really low and pounded out. And this one here just came out. It's very large and it's very thin. And I'll roll this one first. And I have a few more here on the saute. And what I have up here, so this is buffalo mozzarella, but it's very thinly sliced, as you can see. So it's going to be easier to roll. When you roll anything thick, you're going to have a challenge with it. This is fresh basil.
Nice.
Nice, huh, Lon?
Yes,
I love that. I just love that smell. And then here's our tomatoes. So I'm just going to slice them nice and thin. Here's the egg dip and our Italian breadcrumbs. And the end thing, once you roll it, you have to keep it together when it cooks. So I have our vine here. So we have, this is cooking string. You can get it in any grocery store, but we have to wrap the chicken roll really tightly and let it sit, and then we put it in the oven, and once it's baked, then we take the wrap off, and then we'll slice it up, and it'll be really pretty. So with the Roma tomatoes, we're just going to slice them really thin, and probably about maybe 1/8 of an inch, pretty thin. And it's the same size as the buffalo mozzarella. Now on a larger, since we've egg and breaded already, I'm going to put this over here, Lon. And then I'm taking this piece here. It's very large, so we may need to do a few. So I'm going to do 2 of the tomato and 2 of the buffalo mozzarella. And then a few pieces of fresh basil. So it's coated in the egg and the breadcrumb. It's not cooked thoroughly, so it's going to be easier to roll. And if it was cooked to a crisp, we're probably going to have to pull that out in a minute. But if it was cooked to a crisp, we would have a challenge trying to roll it. So this here, you can take the flap on either side. I'll take this side, and you're gonna hold it together. Hey, Lum, will you hold my string?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. And we're gonna roll it. See, the chicken, it has a little bit of pink still. It's lightly breaded and sauteed. Thank you.
Okay.
And then you're gonna hold it at one end with your fingers here. And we're gonna tightly wrap it. I might need two because this is a big piece of
Okay.
chicken here. Yeah, we'll need two. So you're gonna wrap it really tightly. Thank you.
Welcome.
And then we're gonna take this side. There we go. Now the ends, you just tuck them in. Tuck them in, then we're gonna place them in a cool pan. There's the other ones we've started. And I'm gonna pull these out. Lana, would you grab me a paper towel, please, honey? And we'll just set it here.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Okay. You're good. All good.
Some of your pieces are going to be larger than others, of course. Chicken comes in all pieces, all sizes. Now, these are little. Hey. And one more piece of paper towel. Thank you. So we'll do these other ones first since these just came out and they're a little warm. Caprese salad is so trendy. It's on every menu, just about every catering menu that we do, correct,
Yes,
Lana?
I think that lot
Everybody.
we had it.
Oh my gosh, forever. And everybody has a different derivative of it. They love it and they want this tomato and that tomato, so everyone's version of it is different, but it's a very, very trendy, and it's very, it's good for vegetarians. The chicken roll part isn't, but caprese salad is usually what I recommend. So that's the, okay, one more of these. Thank you.
Oops, there you go.
Okay.
Need two.
Not with this one, we got a little guy
Okay,
here.
Okay.
Thank you. So Lana and I were in training together, flight attendant training.
Yes, we were.
Back in the day, and American West Airlines, they were based in Phoenix, Arizona, and our training center was on Mill Avenue, and we had a lot of fun there. It was a lot of great experience. And Lana, being a workout queen, would be eating her yogurt and working out when everybody else was having some fun on Mill Avenue.
I had you fooled, didn't I?
Yes, you do. Oh, yeah, we were out there too, weren't you? But we had a lot of fun and a lot of good memories at that airline. A lot of good people there. And of course, we became lifelong friends. How
Yes,
great
we
is
did.
that?
And we're still together.
Yes, and we're still together. So this piece is larger. The larger, the better if you can get really large pieces and you don't have to fillet them yourself. That's the best way to go. Thank you.
Okay. One for this one?
I may need two. I'm not sure yet. In the meantime, I preheated my oven to 375. It has to, it's not, I don't know if you can see it, but because it's a quick flip with the breading and the egging on it, it's not fully cooked, and that keeps it soft enough to roll. Otherwise, you'd have a challenge, so we just need to bake it off so that we make sure it's cooked all the way through. Hey, Lon, would you hand me the granulated garlic over there, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, sweetie. Perfect. I'm just going to take some granulated garlic and sprinkle it on it for a little bit of flavor. Thank you, sweetie. These might be might be warm enough now. Yeah, those are good. So thank you. Okay, perfect. Got a couple of pieces of string left. Will you grab that last piece of string, Lon? Thank you.
One piece?
One piece.
That's all we got.
Yeah, this is a little guy.
So, yeah.
Yeah, so always splitting. Thank you. Alrighty. We're just going to put this up against this one. And these two I think we're good on. I don't think they'll roll very well. So we have a pan of 2, 4, 6, 8. We have a pan of 11. And I'm going to cover it up. The oven's preheated to 375. So we're going to take a break and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and I'll check and make sure that it's finished cooking. Then we'll let it sit for about 5, and then we're just going to slice it up and make it look really pretty on that platter. And then we'll be able to eat it. It's almost happy hour here, so you can have a nice glass of Chardonnay with it. It'll be fun. So we'll be back. Thank you. Welcome back. Our Caprese Chicken Roll has just come out of the oven. It looks nice and brown. We know everything's cooked. Everything is rolled and in a string. So now what we have to do is remove the chicken breasts and remove the strings on them. So we'll do a few at a time. And what we're going to do is line them up on this pretty platter. I went with the green color because we have basil in here, so it'll be a nice flow. And we'll do a few. Lana's going to help me. So you just unroll it.
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Yeah, come on either side. Come on over. Here you go. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
You got it.
Okay.
So we're going to unroll it, and then we're going to let it sit for a minute so it cools down.
You already unrolled that one, didn't
No.
you? Oh, you did? Oh. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. A lot of times the cheese looks like...
I almost pulled the cheese.
Yeah, because the cheese looks the same. Yeah. It's kind of...
Now that would be Ethel and Lucy.
So this can either be served cold or hot, and we're going to serve it warm today. But if you have any type of an antipasto charcuterie or any type of a theme like that, people love this. It's one of our most popular go-tos on a charcuterie ensemble, so I definitely recommend it. I'll grab a couple more over here. And as an alternative, you can do the prosciutto. You can do the prosciutto. It's pretty easy to do too because it's so thin, and you can roll that as well. But the Caprese is the one. Like I said, it's really trendy. And our sponsors, Spirits and Spice, she has all kinds of flavor-infused balsamics that would go really well with this. So she's got fig one, caramelized onion, all different flavors. An orange one. It's just really pretty amazing what they have. So if you pair that up with any type of a...
Do you want another one?
Yeah, we'll do one more.
Okay.
If you pair it up with any type of a caprese roll like this, it's just perfect. And you do a drizzle on it. So you unroll and I'll...
Okay.
Usually the ends like this, I'll use them I'll have them for lunch or something. But you couldn't put them in a salad. But you are going to get ends that are going to fall apart. That's just pretty normal. So look how pretty that is.
Looks good.
Yeah, pretty.
for those, do you?
No, would you?
No, just like, you want
yeah.
me to get one?
Yeah, maybe that bowl behind us,
Okay.
by the, that'll work. There we go. So we're just about halfway there, and I'm going to finish up, and we'll show you the end result, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. Thank you. Welcome back. We're just about finished. We have a few more pieces here to go. And
You want to do another one?
yeah,
Okay.
if you don't mind. We just have a few more to go.
Okay.
And it'll fill up the platter nice. You probably we used 11 chicken breasts on this one, but some were really tiny. So we'll probably get about maybe 40 pieces out of this. And that's enough at a party if you have, you know, small group over. Usually people will take one or two. So while we're slicing, I just wanted to say thank you to our sponsors once again, and Pam Richards for having us in her home. It was lovely to be here in Roma Hills. And it's a joy to be working with such nice sponsors that are happy they sell beautiful homes, and you know, they have a really good business. So just a nice group. And our girls over at Spirits and Spices and Dress the Drink, there were two wonderful ladies that have a great product, a very unique product, and I love working with them and exchanging ideas on their garnishes and what complements our food. A lot of nice pieces of roll here.
And look at this big old bowl of leftovers.
Oh wow, all the ends. There you go. I think this one. Well, I could probably get this one. There's a little bite. I'll put that right here. Move that over here. Okay, now we're gonna do our garnish. Parsley always makes everything look better and taste better for some reason. And then I'm going to use my carnations because they really go well with the color of the plate. Okay, and there you have it. That's Caprese Chicken Roll. What do you think? It came out okay?
It's great.
Thank
Yeah.
you. So,
Yes, absolutely.
as we end our episode, it's just a very thinly sliced chicken breast, and it's pounded down and then egged, breaded, quick flip in olive oil, maybe 30 seconds on each side. Let it cool down. Put in your Roma tomato, your basil, your very, very thin sliced buffalo mozzarella, and then you roll it up and use your string, and then bake it in the oven for probably about 20 minutes on 375. This recipe will be in an upcoming cookbook that I've created on behalf of my mother and I in our recipes at our restaurant, and it's called Memories Are Made Around the Dinner Table, and it's all of our memories. I'm sharing them with you and sharing recipes like these that I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you use your flair and your enjoyment. But just always remember to have fun when you're cooking, and that will be the best part of sharing your memories around the dinner table when everybody enjoys it. There's nothing better than a feeling of seeing people happy when they're eating your food. And food is always around any type of event, be it a birthday, a baptism, showers, weddings, anything like that, but even celebrations of life. So we all need food. It's what this life is basically about. But if you put love into it, it just takes it to the next element. So I hope you enjoy. So, ready, Lana? Memories are made around the dinner table. Let's eat, Lana.
Let's eat.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Mwah.
Mwah.